I always knew I wanted to get in real estate. I loved it. I had a passion for it. And then after seeing the tools that were available, lots of great tools, a lot of them, but the problem was that none of them really talked to each other the way that they should. There was really no central hub of an agent's workplace. The general agent community has needed a product where you don't have to log into 6 different things to figure out what the heck is going on from contact to close. And that's the goal of LionDesk.
What you're finding is that not everybody out there is using a unified CRM system to deal with their leads, to deal with their business. And why is that?
The majority don't. They think their phone is a CRM, they think Excel is a CRM, but it's not, right? Like, what's the core of a CRM? Contact management, right? Like, keep track of your contacts, get your leads in, categorize them, and the biggest problem that salespeople have is they let leads slip through the cracks.
What does LionDesk do that the average agent, without having to be a techie, would understand and be able to fall behind?
So the number one thing is categorize your contacts, right? Communicate with them, and if you do that, you're going to close them. In sales, it's all about timing. And so with LionDesk, even though these people that aren't to you ready yet, that aren't to you, you're following up with them so that when they're in front of you, they're the ones thinking of you, right? So we don't look at ourselves as an all-in-one solution, right? Like, that to me is the wrong direction. When we put it together, it was a best in class, right? So we know what we're really good at, which is aggregating all of your leads, communicating with all of your leads, right? And then what we do is we pull in these other systems. So if you want to go and log into something else and use it, that's fine, but to check to see what happened with it, especially if it's a long timeline, as we know the sales cycle in real estate's long.
David, it's been a pleasure sitting here and talking with you here today, and hopefully everybody has found some value. I would highly recommend that you would take a look at LionDesk and play around with it.